Hi, good evening everyone. I'm Val Yap, CEO and founder of PolicyPal and PolicyPal Network. We have two companies running here. So just a minute, wait for the slides to come up. Thanks for joining us this evening. So I'll share about the company we have built 2.5 years back. So we started in 2016 as an insurance policy management platform, just to help individuals out there to organize, understand their insurance policies in one place. And over time, as the user base grew, people started asking whether they can buy insurance policies. And we were about 2.5 months old. We couldn't do so unless we actually offer ourselves to particular just one insurer. Then we will be restricted to just this particular insurance company. However, we want to keep it as an open platform, but then to become a licensed insurance broker, you need 300,000 payout capital, as well as a bunch of things which back then we couldn't meet. We were very lucky because MAS just announced that they're rolling out the sandbox. So we became the first company to enter the FinTech sandbox. Currently, I think that last month I checked, we are still the only company that has graduated out of the sandbox. There's quite a few that are in the sandboxes now, but we're the only one that have graduated as of last month. Maybe next time I must check the website before my presentations so that I can always say that we are the only one. Anyway, we were there for 6 months, trial period. How does it work is we work very closely with MAS to make sure that we meet the requirements, acting as an insurance broker without a license. We build the APIs together with the insurers to be able to retrieve the product information, the quotation for customers to be able to purchase the policy straight through within the app. And then the policy will be managed within the app to give them updates and also claims processing. So 6 months trial period, we were able to meet the KPIs set by MAS, such as risk management, the policy, and the number of customers and user base that we have. We gotten our insurance broker license. Thereafter, early this year, we have raised a token sale round, and we recently just released our blue paper last Friday to launch our own protocol network. So here's a quick snapshot of our supporters and investors, from Fire Startup, Silicon Valley Investor, to PayPal. We're part of the PayPal incubation last year, to Fanbushi Capital Block Asset, focusing on blockchain companies, as well as Global Brain, which is a Japanese VC. So in Singapore, our app is basically free. You can download it from the App Store and Play Store. It's free for download for you to manage your insurance policies, buy policies from there. You can get maybe a promo code from one of our team members later. It's completely free for individuals. So how do we monetize? Basically, whenever you buy a policy from us, we take a cut from the insurer. So we actually have about 50,000 customers who have downloaded the app, purchased the policy from us. On top of that, we are fortunate to earn some awards from Japan, Hong Kong, China, and we're one of the 3 startups to be part of the Google Asia Pacific program, where we work closely with the Google Play Store team to improve the application. So this is a quick video on PolicyPal Singapore's graduation when we were exiting out of the sandbox.
Now, most applicants have not made the cut for a central bank initiative, which aims to let financial technology players test innovative solutions. In an update given to Channel News Asia, the Monetary Authority of Singapore says 2 startups have been accepted into its regulatory sandbox scheme. That's out of more than 30 applicants it has received since the program was launched in June last year. Dylan Lowe reports.
Val Yap refused to let personal tragedy weigh her down. In 2013, the 30-year-old entrepreneur's mother was diagnosed with cancer. The same year, her father died. During this period, Ms. Yap's family struggled to deal with insurance-related paperwork, and this prompted her to try to find a solution for others who had trouble with medical claims. So she started PolicyPal, a one-stop mobile insurance platform, in 2016. So PolicyPal uses artificial intelligence to automatically sort through insurance policies. This cuts down the need to manage stacks of leaflets and papers. With the service, your mobile phone can be your personal insurance manager. PolicyPal and another startup, Crystal Advisors, a digital wealth management platform, are the only two that have been accepted into the central bank's regulatory sandbox program. The Monetary Authority of Singapore started the initiative for financial technology players to experiment within a relaxed regulatory environment. It has said that startups may opt not to roll out a product if it's unclear if it complies with regulations, leading to missed opportunities. So under the central bank's watch, authorities and startups can cooperate to manage risks as both push for innovation within secure boundaries.
I hope that our successful case study encourage Singaporean startups or any startups that are based here to look at new innovative ideas to see how they can innovate certain business processes to optimize or improve them such that it can help the public and also improve lives.
Most of the more than 30 applications for the Sandbox initiative didn't make it as far as PolicyPal, however. Channel News Asia understands there could be a few reasons.
Yeah, there could be a few reasons, but I'll just skip that. So after we got our license, we are very lucky to be able to work with like companies based here. So there are quite a few blockchain companies based in Singapore. So we understand about some of the challenges they face, especially in the crypto space. We have been seeing like hacking incident on exchanges and the wallets being hacked as well. So we did more investigation and then we started speaking with our insurers. And I found out that in Japan, Mitsui Sumitomo actually launched insurance coverage for Bitflyer. It's a crypto exchange based in Japan. So I started speaking with our partners. So today we work with about 16 insurance companies based in Singapore. So we gotten an insurance company from the Europe to do the underwriting for Crypto Protect insurance. So it's a B2B product where we work with blockchain companies and also crypto exchanges to develop new products together. So protection against the project's wallet being hacked, protection against loss of tokens during hacking incident. So I was just in South Korea, Seoul, 2 weeks back for a blockchain conference. When I was sharing about this product, a lot of them could understand it because just last month, 2 exchanges in Korea were being hacked, CoinRail and BigTime, and $40 million was lost, I think, in CoinRail, and about 60 million was lost in BigTime. So not only on the loss of the assets, it's also the reputation as well as the product project. The project tokens that were being lost were in fact affected because a lot of their community were feeling a bit confused and lost on like whether should they still continue using that particular exchange or whether can they still trust that project. So on top of building the Crypto Protect, we are also launching our own protocol. So why we do so is because acting as a digital insurance broker, running it through the PolicyPal Singapore, we understand what the key challenges that the insurance company face while working together with the broker is because of the manual back and forth communication whenever they need to do the underwriting for policy inception, and then the claims payment. There's a lot of follow-ups on like the documents and all. On the customer side is that they have a lot of data, however those are not used to actually reduce the insurance premiums. So we launched a protocol where we put the business logic on the smart contract and we automate the underwriting process so that the policy can be incepted instantly. And then when claims are triggered based on the oracle that we get from the third-party information, we are able to automate the whole claims process. So I guess the people from the back might not be able to see this. You can check out on our website, policypal.network. Basically, this is how the protocol will work. We have the front-end dashboard where our partners, insurers, are able to browse the products where the community and the consumers are looking out for. So this way, the whole community is very connected as compared to currently, everything is on a very silo basis where insurers are the one creating products within their product development team, and then the brokers are the one handling with the customers, and customers are always receiving what the company has built for them. So within this ecosystem, there will be communications, there will be like requests of new insurance products from the community, and community are able to share their data in exchange of rewards and lower premiums, and they are able to run the nodes called super nodes to be able to power the whole blockchain network. And for automated claims, how do we do so? We take it from the trusted third-party information, from the flight stats, authority report, all the way to the weather statistics. So we launched a flight delay insurance coverage with Ergo. It's a German insurance company, a subsidiary of Munich Re. Munich Re is the #1 reinsurance company in the world. So we launched it with them by connecting with the flight stats and automate your claims payment. So why do insurers want to work with us? These are the 3 key items that we help to address. First of all, meeting customer needs. Brokers are always the one meeting customer needs, and then insurance company are the one getting all the feedback from brokers. So there's no clear communication with the customers. So this way, they are able to tailor new insurance products and also the premiums for customers' requests. On top of that, they can cut down the cost. Manual processing of the claims, actually taking up about 30% of the whole insurance product premium that you're paying for. On top of that, increasing transparency of the whole data information of the claims processing, the policy information. So about 2 months back, we announced our partnership with FWD. It's an insurance company first launched in Hong Kong, started by Richard Lee, the son of Lee Ka-shing, and now they are all around Asia. So we're developing new products on the blockchain together with FWD Insurance. And we're proud to announce that we have already launched a product with Ergo. So it's available on our app, Play Store or App Store. So if you were to purchase, I hope your phone is alright. So if you were to purchase this policy through the app and you have no claim for a year, you actually get 20% cash back. And this video will explain to you how the whole Ergo flight delay product actually works. You have to scroll down.
Flight delayed? Feels like an eternity to get your claims processed? Worry no more. Introducing the revolutionary automated travel claim. It's instant. It's hassle-free. Notifications will be sent to you for claim processing in the event of a flight delay. With all records stored in blockchain, no paper filing is needed. All you have to do is download our PolicyPal app, purchase the annual travel plans with cash or PAL tokens. Once your details are approved, you'll be added to a virtual P2P pool on the PolicyPal Network blockchain. Voila! Claims will be automatically processed using blockchain technology, and compensation will be transferred straight into your bank account. Goodbye to the old traditional claims processing. Download PolicyPal's app today. PolicyPal. Insurance just got easier.
Yeah, so anyone interested, you can buy through the promo code, and my team is all around. Other than flight delay, what we can do is parametric insurance, because we can take the data of flooding incident, drought, earthquake, as well as flight-specific cancellation data to automate the whole claims process. As well as agriculture insurance, so farmers, they are able to buy crop insurance and the policy will be incepted. And we take the data from the weather statistics and through the smart contract, we pre-programmed all the condition in so that we can automate the whole claims payment. So this is a little bit technical. So how does the whole protocol works? We have just launched our blue paper. It's available on our website, PolicyPal.network. You can give it, you can check it out later on. So our protocol has 2 layers to protect the privacy data information you have on your policy information, because a lot of people will say that I wouldn't want my details of how much I'm covered for to be publicly available, because those are really confidential information. And I wouldn't want people to know who are my beneficiaries, because those are also very private information. You never know what's going to happen, right? So we created a 2-layer protocol where there's a public layer and a private layer. So the public layer will be available to, maybe the next slide. Okay, I'll talk about the private layer. First, private layer will be us together with our insurance partners and also our other partners where we work together to be able to allow them to run master nodes. Master nodes are limited and they are the ones who help to validate the transactions of policies, claims, and payout. And we limit the number of masternodes is to ensure that the blockchain itself is scalable and also the speed is there, because as we know that Ethereum network is often jammed because every time when the people play CryptoKitty or like there's any incidents that happen, the gas fee is really high or like transactions take like days. It happened before when CryptoKitty was really popular. It took days to actually send like your Ethereum over to another address, right? So we can't let that happen in insurance because you are about to board your flight, you want to get yourself covered. So we need to make sure that we solve the scalability and the transaction speed issue. Other than that, we have the public layer where we work with our community who are able to run the supernodes. So they can actually stake the PAL tokens and run the node software, and you'll be on a very lightweight software called DAG, so you can download it and help to power the network to be able to earn the rewards. So recently we just announced our partnership with MediBlock. Just want to share like who we partner with and why we partner with them. So MediBlock is a health data blockchain company based in South Korea. So why we partner with them is that it's clear like benefit of both community. So first of all, like we are able to offer the insurance protocol for their community so that for the hospitals who are putting the health records on the blockchain are able to process the claims payment for health insurance policies. And then this was the event in South Korea. It was quite well received. A lot of Koreans turned up and asked about like PolicyPal network. I guess I'll run through very quickly. So the team is all based in Singapore, 25 of us, just down the road at 71 Robinson. So myself, my background has been in financial services before starting PolicyPal, from banking, insurance to professional service firm. I was from PwC, same as 1E, one of the panelists here. So on the technical team side, it's run by Ke Liang. Ke Liang actually started his own crypto exchange in 2013. Thereafter, he joined Grab to launch GrabPay, and then he moved on to Eatigo on the regional level to grow the business. And recently, he joined us to actually scale our protocol development to be even faster. Okay, next. And a quick high-level overview of our advisors who have helped us to get where we are today. Scott, who is the founder of Trove. Trove is an insurtech company based in the US. He's a serial entrepreneur with 3 previous exits to Yahoo, Adobe, and Intercontinental Exchange. To Vincent Loy, also previously from PwC, and also blockchain advisors like Bosch, Sean, Prof. Lee, and also Kenneth. Okay, so I know that everyone is waiting for the panel to start, but I just want to let you all meet the team. So I have one last video to let you all meet the team. Where is it?
Today I'm bringing on our office tour. Come on! So this is just a small collection of our trophies. Hi, so this is our second room. As you work is open concept co-working space. You can see it's set up such that everyone can find us very easily. Yeah, we have Sue.
Oh, I didn't know.
Beside her is Tracy. I sit in one right corner. Hi! So this is Gigi.
I run ads, so all the ads that you see on Facebook actually by me.
Hi, I'm Claire and I'm doing the marketing for PolicyPal Network. And my favorite part of the job is seeing our campaign come to life.
Hello, I'm Michelle and I'm doing operations and I take care of all the interns. They are all my little children and I'm the mother here.
Hi, I'm Annabelle. On top of the operations team, I handle customer support at PolicyPal's website.
I'm a software engineer at PolicyPal. I do the front-end development for the PolicyPal website.
Siling. Hi, I'm Siling. So my hobby is to play the piano.
Hi guys, I'm Vicky. I'm the head of people and culture. What I know most about the company is the family culture, and we are hiring. If you are keen to work with this dynamic team, please send a CV to hr@policypal.com.
So we're at the game room.
A few moments later. We are a very flexible team that allows us to contribute by all means and allows us to think out of the box for any type of contribution that we are willing to make. What about you, Jaya? People here are very nice.
Finding out tech team. Hi, so this is our tech team. Hi, let's have a chat. A very serious tech team, always working very, very hard. This is Wi-Fi.
Hello. Mostly on the back end, software engineers. I'm also a blockchain engineer that do know, but get to learn about how did I join PolicyPal. I actually met Casey at a hacker event. I was very lucky to meet him and was able to get this engagement.
It makes very.
I'm working on like a digital mediums and I developed predictions for blockchain after trying PolicyPal because it showed the potential of blockchain in Singapore.
Cool. And next very we have Jiahao.
So I'm a front-end and blockchain engineer. My duty is to make sure that everything runs smoothly.
So what do you see PolicyPal Network in how much years time?
I want to build on the whole industry.
Hello, I'm Wilson. I'm a front-end web developer as well as a blockchain developer for CBN. I created some of the software portion for CBN and the web portion for PolicyPal.
What do you do in your free time?
I do exercise. I do exercise. You do exercise, you grow fat. You grow fat, you get knowledge. You get knowledge, you get more company. So please exercise.
Lastly, we have Casey, our tech lead. Casey, could you tell us more about the progress of the PolicyPal site?
As you all know, we actually built our stock contract for the crowd sales platform team. So it's quite an achievement because we thought that it was part of the students' ICU, which at the moment we are planning our proof of concept for PPP in the PolicyPal network. So we are scheduled with our development.
Of course, we save the best for the last, our CEO.
Hi everyone, hope you enjoy the office tour. Please join us for our ambassador program and also the welcome desk. Looking forward to your applications.
Okay, so this video is about like 4 months old. So we have launched our testnet on Ethereum. We have launched the Ergo flight delay. We launched our blue paper as well. We have pushed forward our development 3 months forward. So the protocol testnet will be out end of September. So do join us on our Telegram, Twitter, or like just check out our website. So anyone taking photos, you have better quality on the website. So check it out there. Yeah, I'll join the panel to actually share more about fintech and blockchain with you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Val, for the very insightful presentation.